Hey guys, what's happening? I'm an essential oil specialist here at National Nutrition, and today we've got your essential oil review with Aromapathic Labs. Today we are talking about frankincense. Did you know that frankincense is actually one of the presents that one of the wise men brought to little baby Jesus? Quite interesting. Frankincense itself actually comes from a tree. So the tree is part of the Boswellia family, and it is a really cool looking tree. But frankincense, how does it come from the tree, you ask? Well, it comes from the sap resin of that tree. So that sap comes out, they collect it, they dry it for some time, and then it crystallizes. So it turns into little like yellowy or brown crystals, and then those crystals are then used to extract the oil. It's very important to know how that oil is going to be extracted. Aromapathic Labs sources their frankincense from India, and they use steam distillation. That's really important because steam distillation does not heat up the oil too much to ruin its integrity, and it doesn't leave any nitty-gritty, nasty stuff behind in your oil. Nobody wants that. Some other extraction methods heat up your oils way too much. They ruin the integrity that way, or they leave like nasty little itty-bitties in your oil, and like trust me, no one wants that in their essential oil, because what's the point of using an essential oil if it's not pure? Like, right? Doesn't really make sense. So always know how your oils are extracted. Super important. Frankincense itself has a very kind of unique scent. It's a little bit sweet. It's very clean. It's fresh. But it also has like this little spiciness to it, or like a little bit of like a licorice note to it, like that kind of spiciness. It's very quite unique, and it's really cool because it has such great benefits. So it's very grounding and very meditative, and trust me, everyone can use that in their life. If you tell me you can't use some more like grounding effects in your life, then like, I gotta tell you something, you're lying to yourself, because we all get so stressed out in our everyday life. So this here is really just to help bring you back to your happy place, to your center. When work is too much, when the kids are screaming at you, pop this in your diffuser. It's gonna be a lifesaver. It's also great for your skin. It helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks, age spots, sunspots, and scarring. So it's gonna be your skin's new BFF. It's really great also for reducing pain in the body and in the muscles. So if you hit the gym too hard the day before, it's a really great one for that too. It mixes super well with bergamot oil. Bergamot itself is going to help to also ground you and just make you feel super centered. So when you mix those two together, meditate for as long as you need, and you will feel relaxed and refreshed in no time. That unique profile mix, that bergamot's going to be the top note. It's going to be that citrusy scent that hits your nose first, very energizing, very uplifting, and then you're going to kind of mellow into that frankincense spiciness. So the frankincense is more of a middle to base note, and it's just means it's more deep in scent, and that's kind of going to help prolong and kind of round out the aromatic profile. Next, it mixes super well with cinnamon oil. So cinnamon is another very spicy, sweet oil. It's actually a deeper scent than frankincense, so that's going to be the base note in this profile. So you're going to first smell the cinnamon in this profile being the middle note, going down into that base note of the heavy cinnamon spice. So those are really great for applying to the skin. So if you have sore muscles, whether it's hitting the gym too hard, arthritic pain, or your back's hurting from sitting at your desk too long, rub that in with a carrier oil, and you're gonna feel super relaxed and have nice, refreshed muscles. Lastly, you can mix it with grapefruit oil, one of my favorites. Mix them together with a carrier oil, and you're gonna have an amazing skin oil that your skin is going to thank you for. It's great because the grapefruit is the top note, super energizing, super citrusy, super fresh. It's gonna hit your nose first. It's one of my favorites, and then it's gonna mellow into that little spiciness of the frankincense. The two paired together make such a nice blend. And when you mix it to put on your skin, it's gonna really help to brighten that skin naturally, give you a natural glow, get rid of any pigmentation that you're having, because they're both very potent in antioxidants. So make sure you pair it with an SPF over top so you do not expose yourself to too much sun and photosensitivity. So there you have it, guys, all the info on frankincense, one of the oils that goes so far back in time, it's not even funny. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one, and if you really want to know more info about essential oils, in the meantime, click the link below and check out our oil articles at nationalnutrition.ca, and we hope to catch you on the next video. Bye!